In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow templates. Webflow templates are one of the fastest and easiest ways to build professional-looking websites without starting completely from scratch. Whether you're creating a portfolio, an online store, a business website, or personal project, templates can save you a huge amount of time while still giving you full creative control over your design. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of finding, previewing, applying, and customizing a Webflow template step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Webflow. Once the website loads, sign into your account and head to your dashboard. This is the main area where all your existing projects are stored and managed. Next, look toward the top navigation menu and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Webflow provides templates, libraries, and additional resources created both by Webflow and independent designers. After opening the Marketplace, select the Templates section to access the complete template library. Inside the template library, you'll find a wide range of website designs built for different industries and project types. Some templates are designed for portfolios, while others focus on blogs, software businesses, online stores, or company websites. Take your time browsing through the available options to find a design that matches your goals and preferred visual style. You can also narrow down your search using the available filters. Templates can be sorted by category, pricing, style, or industry, making it easier to locate something that fits both your project needs and budget. Some templates are available at no cost, while others require a one-time purchase. Once you find a template you like, click on it and choose the Preview in Browser option. Previewing is a very important step because it allows you to explore the design before using it. Scroll through the different pages, check the layout structure, and imagine how your own content would look inside the template. If you want to compare multiple designs, simply return to the template library and preview additional options. Exploring several templates can help you make a better decision and choose the one that aligns best with your brand and website goals. When you're ready to continue, click either Get the Template or Purchase Template, depending on the template you selected. Webflow will then prompt you to create a new site using that template. Enter a name for your project and continue to create the site. Once the project is generated, Webflow will automatically open the designer. From here, you can fully customize the template by editing text, replacing images, changing colors, adjusting layouts, and adding or removing sections to fit your needs. The more you experiment inside the designer, the more comfortable you'll become building websites with Webflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.